Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Rybbit Analytics, a modern privacy-focused analytics tool that's positioning itself as a simpler and cleaner alternative to traditional platforms like Google Analytics. If you care about privacy, ease of use, and actually understanding your website data without headaches, this video is for you. I'll walk you through what Rybbit is, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally give you a balanced conclusion on whether this could be the best analytics tools for your need. Let's get started. At its core, Rybbit is a privacy-first website analytics platform designed to help you understand how people interact with your website without invasive tracking, cookies, or complicated dashboards. It's built for people who want clear insights, not confusion. One of the biggest problems with traditional analytics right now is how overwhelming they are. You open the dashboard and you're hit with dozens of reports, confusing metrics, and settings that most people never touch. Rybbit takes the opposite approach. Everything here is designed to be simple, visual, and easy to understand, even if you're not a data expert. So overall, Rybbit is built for bloggers, for startups, small businesses, marketers, product teams who want reliable insights without sacrificing privacy or spending hours learning a complex system. Now, let us talk about the main features of Rybbit. Core Analytics. As you can see, this is a demo version of Rybbit where you can see core details. Right out of the gate, Rybbit gives you all the essential: page views and visitor counts, traffic sources so you know where users are coming from, device types, browsers and locations, as well as bounce rates and engagement metrics. All of this is presented in a clean dashboard that's easy to scan and understand at a glance. Events, goals, and funnels. If you want to track more than just visits, Rybbit lets you create custom events. This could be things like button clicks, form submissions, sign-ups, or purchases. You can also build goals and funnels to see exactly where users convert and where they drop off. Session replay. One of the more advanced features is the session replay. This allows you to watch anonymized recordings of how users interact with your site, where they click, how they scroll, and where they get stuck. This is incredibly useful for improving user experience and conversion rates. User journeys. Rybbit also shows user journeys, which helps you visualize the common paths that your visitors take through the site. This is especially helpful for content creators and marketers who want to optimize navigation and workflow. Performance and Web Vitals. Performance matters, and Rybbit includes Web Vitals tracking, allowing you to monitor page speed and overall site performance. This helps you spot issues that could be hurting user experience or SEO. Real-time analytics. There's also a real-time view that shows live visitors and where they're coming from globally. It's not just visually appealing, it's useful for monitoring traffic spikes during launches or campaigns. Team collaboration. You can organize websites into teams, manage user access, and share dashboards publicly or privately. This makes Rybbit suitable not just for individuals, but also for growing teams. So overall, the feature set is well balanced. It's powerful enough for serious use, but it's not bloated. What is the pricing of Rybbit like? There is a free plan, which is perfect for hobby projects. You can start for free, although you're limited as to what you can do, but it can get you started. There's a standard plan at $19 per month. There's a Pro plan which is recommended at $39 per month, and there's an Enterprise plan which is custom made for bigger businesses. If you decide to pay annually, the prices get reduced. What are the pros and cons of using Rybbit? First, the pros. It's very easy to set up and use. It has a clean, modern interface. It has strong privacy focus with no cookies, and it's open sourced and self-hostable. It also has affordable pricing compared to other competitors. And the cons? It has smaller ecosystem compared to older tools, and there are fewer third-party integrations for now. So, is Rybbit the best analytics tool? Well, the answer depends on what you value most. If you want simple, reliable analytics, and you care about user privacy, you also don't want to wrestle with overly complex dashboards, then Rybbit is an excellent choice. It gives you the insights that most website owners actually need without tracking users in an invasive way. That said, If you're running extremely high traffic platforms or you need deep enterprise level analytics with massive integrations and predictive modeling, you may outgrow Rybbit over time. But for the majority of people watching this video, Rybbit offers one of the cleanest and most user-friendly analytics experiences available today. And that's it on the review of Rybbit. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Plausible Analytics, Umami Analytics, and PostHog. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.